Okay. Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. Dear students, good evening. This is Dr. Joachim, Dean of Arts of our college. So the objective of this session is helping the students to identify the non-major elective courses. So this session has got two parts. In the first part, I'll be introducing all the 10 courses available in our college. Then based on your area of interest, so based on your previous knowledge, you can choose the course. So the second part is Professor Jyoti Kumar will interact with you regarding how you have to choose. See, my part is I'll be introducing the courses. The Professor Jyoti Kumar will help you with the procedure. So please listen to this session carefully so that you can identify the right course. The important factor is, apart from studying your course, there is major, general English, then languages. Then there are some areas in which the student should improve. So this will help you regarding the employment also. So that is the objective of introducing non-major elective courses. So here, the students have the freedom to choose their own courses. Now let me introduce the courses one by one. So the thing is, a student should choose a course that doesn't belong to his major. So this is the objective. For example, there may be a student from commerce. Commerce student should not choose commerce course. Commerce student should choose any course that doesn't belong to his department. So that is the only rule available. First one, NME numerical ability. So here this belongs to mathematics department. So the staff in charges of this course are Mrs. D. Kiruba Pakirani and Dr. S. Philo. So here, I hope the thing is visible now. So here the students who are comfortable with 10th standard mathematics and who are interested in solving mathematical problems can join. So the thing is, the students who have basic mathematical skills can think of joining this course. This course will cover problems related to calculating percentage, ratio and proportion, test of divisibility, square root and cube root, surds and indices, etc. It helps the students to appear for various competitive exams like UPSC, TNPSC, conducted by union and state governments respectively. So when you go for higher education, at that time, you'll be writing SLET or NET examination. At that time, all the students should take paper 1, in which some of these topics will definitely help. But at the same time, so the students who have some basic mathematics can think of joining this course. So it is a course which will be useful until or forever you are writing the competitive examination. The second one, so Department of Computer Science offers the NME titled Page Maker. So the staff in charge of this paper is Dr. A. Jasmine Xavier. Microsoft Publisher is a desktop publishing office application software launched by Microsoft. It is much like Microsoft Word application software. It is used to create professional documents like newsletters, postcards, invitations, brochures, visiting cards, greeting cards, etc. It is a design application for print and digital publications. It is used for designing different types of pages. It comes free of cost with Microsoft Office Suite. It can be used to create digital PDF files and send bulk emails with advertising or news. Students need not have any prior programming knowledge. Anyone who knows how to work with a computer can easily learn this software. Actually, the students who are a little bit familiar with the operations of computer, who have some creativity, who want to have some gaming. So, so those students can prefer this particular paper, NME Page Maker. So the next one is Department of Physics offers the introduction to solar energy. So staff in charge, Dr. Melvin David Kumar and Mr. R. Kristuraja. Just a minute. Okay, so here these two people will be the in charges. This paper deals about the solar energy source, that is the sun, reactions happening in the sun for the production of energy, and the instruments used to measure the solar energy. This goes purely technical with physics. The students who are basically having the science knowledge in +2, and they can prefer this course. The process by which the light energy is converted to electrical energy, and finally, the possible applications are discussed. At the end of the course, the students will be able to understand the importance of solar energy harvesting. Students with strong physics background from the departments of mathematics and chemistry can follow the syllabus at ease. So here the department has given a specification, especially the students who have mathematics base from mathematics department and chemistry can think of the course, because for other students, since they do not have if they do not have any background of physics, it may be difficult for them. So the next one, Department of Commerce offers the paper Salesmanship. It is an interesting paper. So the staff in charges are Dr. Orokia G. Ruben, Dr. R. Ravindra, and Dr. J. Suresh. This paper aims at providing the students necessary selling skills to be possessed by a salesman. Moreover, it helps them to know who is a salesman, what is salesmanship, essential qualities of an ideal salesman, different types of customers, and the various objections raised by customers against sales. It will also help them to tackle the objections and queries raised by the customers. It trains the students to be an ideal salesman. So here, practical sessions regarding presentation skills will also be conducted, especially the students who want to enter the field of marketing. So the students who want to do some part-time job. So in order to improve the skills necessary for a salesman can join this course. So the next one is Department of English, offers spoken English. The staff in charges are Mrs. V. Ajita and Professor B. Manohari. So here, this paper helps the students develop fluency in English. And also it gives students practice in conversation. So day-to-day conversation skills will be improved a lot at the end of the course. And also it creates suitable situations for role play, debate, panel discussion, etc. Actually, this paper is a 100% practical paper. There will not be any written test. So at the end of the course, you will have only practical. So on the day of examination, you will come and topics will be given. So people will be sitting there. You have to make presentation based on the input already given. So it is not meant for advanced learners. So in the sense, if you are already a person who have good communication skills, better you need not think of this course, because the students who really find it hard to communicate in English, such learners can come and improve your language skills here. So the students who would like to improve their basic communication skills in English can choose this course so that it will be an added advantage for them. So again, I insist, the students who already possess reasonable communication skills in English need not choose this course. So this is the course, so that should be noted properly. So there are two important announcements here. So Department of Tamil offers two courses, Basic Tamil and Advanced Tamil. So there are some students who come from other countries and other states. So such students, so the students who did not study Tamil at school level, they have to choose Basic Tamil alone. Please note down. So the students who did not study Tamil at the school level, they should not choose any other course at all. They have to choose Basic Tamil. So you will be given training. Then Advanced Tamil. There are some other category in Tamil Nadu. Students studied Tamil only up to 10th standard, right? Students studied Tamil only up to 10th standard. And it is for the students who selected other languages like Hindi and French as part 2 in our college. So please note down, there are 3 different courses available. One is General Tamil, Podu Tamil. Podu Tamil, ஏற்கனவே part 2ல part 1ல படிக்கிறவங்க இத வந்து எடுக்க வேண்டாம். So நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. So இதுல let me repeat. இதுவரைக்கு தமிழே படிக்காதவங்க வேற எந்த எண்ணமையும் எடுக்க கூடாது. பேசிக் தமிழ் தான் எடுக்கணும். So let me repeat in English. The students who have never studied in their life in school Tamil, they should not choose any other NME. They have to choose only basic Tamil, right? And there are some students from Tamil Nadu who have studied up to 10th Tamil, 11th, 12th, they did not study. Such students should choose Advanced Tamil. So the special note, as I mentioned earlier, students studying Basic Tamil or Advanced Tamil should not select any other NME course. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. Basic Tamil, Advanced Tamilக்கு eligible இருக்கிற students வேற NME எடுக்க கூடாது. I repeat, the students who are eligible to choose Tamil, Basic Tamil and Advanced Tamil should not choose any other NME course. Let me move on. Next one, the Department of BBA offers Business Etiquette paper. The staff in charge is Mrs. N. Stella. So it is an interesting paper. So this gives an overall introduction to business ethics. Ethics in the sense how business dealing should be done in an ethical way. So that should be useful to everyone. Like especially business communication is taught here in another unit. Like how to greet in a business occasion, how to greet the customer, how to greet the higher officials, all these things are given. Then afterwards, so business attire and professionalism is discussed. For example, if you are going for an interview, how you have to wear proper dress, how you have to conduct yourself in a professional way, that should be, or that is given in this paper. Then telephone etiquette. So nowadays, because of the pandemic situation, most of the interviews across the country and across the globe are conducted through online. So there, telephone etiquettes will help you to behave in a better way. So this will be very, very useful. And also finally, another unit concentrates on the cultural changes. How, so cultural changes, the knowledge of cultural changes can contribute to the success of an individual in business. So those who have the business mind, those who have the idea to get into the business side can utilize this. So next one. So corporate secretaryship offers a course titled Fundamentals of Business. The staff in charge to this paper is Dr. M. Charlotte Rosemary Vijaya. So in this paper, the basic concept and classification of business is given. So forms of business organizations like sole tradeship, partnership business, joint companies, cooperative ventures, everything is explained. Then how you have to manage the business properly. Some input is given in another unit. Then the business environment and ethics is also taught. So some recent trends in business like how MNCs is formulated and work and limited liability partnership, one-person company franchising. So this paper especially gives more focus on how the company should be understood, how you have to get into a company. All these ideas are given. The next one is the Department of Visual Communication gives a paper titled Basics of Visual Design. The staff in charge of this paper is Mr. S. Benny. So in this paper, the basics of the design like dot, lines, shapes, forms, texture, perspective, and color are given. In addition to that, the types of different designs, the design elements, style and themes, and structural elements in design, especially the students who have creativity and the students who have the idea to get into media business can choose this particular course. It is an interesting paper. So this is the last course in line. BCA offers a course, MS Word and PowerPoint. The staff in charge of this paper is Ms. R. Geeta. So here, the basics of MS Word is given, like formatting document, inserting the symbols, numbering, etc. are given. So later, the inclusion of page numbers, header and footer, how you have to adjust the space without affecting the content will be given. There are some working in table is also given training. So rows, columns, merging, adding and cropping images, inserting smart art diagram, all these things are given. So in PowerPoint, how you have to add and edit text, how you have to apply themes and designs, and how you have to use slide masters. So all these are given. So working with tables, charts, and animation, adding animation, using animation, animation pointer tool, inserting and trimming a video in a PowerPoint slide, using online video for your PowerPoint slide, all these aspects are given. So dear students, so what I did was just I highlighted the important features of all the 10 different courses available. So only one concern is regarding the course related to Tamil department. So the students who have never studied Tamil, the students who studied Tamil only up to 10th standard, they have to choose only Tamil related courses, right? All other students are free to choose any other course. The important factor to be kept in mind is you should have some previous knowledge. Even if you do not have previous knowledge, you should have complete interest in that paper. Then only you can complete that course in a successful way. So thank you very much for your listening. Now I hand over the session to Professor Jyoti Kumar. He will help you regarding the admission procedure to each and every course. Thank you very much. Professor, you can just hand over, take the session.
Thank you, Professor.
Thank you, sir.
So, dear students, am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you are audible. You can proceed.
Okay. Are you able to see my screen, sir?
Yes, sir, your screen is visible and the audio is clear. You can proceed.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So, dear students, myself, Professor Jyoti Kumar, I am going to explain how to register this non-major elective subject through online. So you have to do is first go to our website, college website, www.stn.edu.in. So okay, go to the college website. After that, you may see an announcement site. You may see a link called online NME selection for first UG 2021. So just click the link. You may see a page like this. Okay, you may see a page like this. It will ask for three things. First one is your register number. Your register number is look like 21U and your department.
Jyoti Kumar sir, 1 minute sir.
Yes.
Some students have commented that your voice is very, very low. Could you increase the volume?
Yes sir, yes sir. So dear students, so it will ask for register number, date of birth and your registered WhatsApp mobile number. So first you have to enter your register number. It starts with 21U and your subject code or your department code and 501, 502 likewise, and you have to give your date of birth, month, date, month and year, and your registered WhatsApp mobile without space and plus 91 and all. Okay, so these three things you have to enter in the page. You have to enter first your registered number and your date of birth and your registered WhatsApp mobile number. Okay, and then submit. After submitting, you will see a page like this, your register number and your name, and all the departments and the offering subject name will be displayed. So this is the first SHIFT-I course, so don't bother about it. So all the department name will be displayed there and all the subjects names also displayed there. Choose any one of the subject and then submit. That's all. So it will take only 5 to 10 seconds. So choose any one of the subject name and click submit. So if the course is full, then there will be a message called full is displayed. You may not able to choose the course. Just click any one of the course and you just submit. So choose any one of the options, click the submit button to register your name. Kindly note that after submission, your option will not be changed for any reason. So this is very important. Please choose wisely and think twice and then click your option. Okay. So thing is, and then after submitting your option, there will be a message like this. Your register number, name, and you choose for NME subject name and register time and date will be appeared. That's all. So I repeat once again. So go to the college website and there will be a link called online NME selection for first UG 2021. Click that link. You see a page like this. Give your register number, give your date of birth, enter your registered WhatsApp mobile number without space and without plus 91 and all these things. Please enter only 10 digits and then your subject list will be displayed. What are the departments available, what are the subjects available are displayed. Choose any one of the department and then submit. So okay, after that this page will be displayed. Your registration is successful. Thank you. That's all. This is your NME selection process. Okay, it will take only 5 to 10 seconds. That's all. So please choose any one of the options and click submit button to register your name. So after submission, your option will not be changed for any reason. Please kindly note that after submission, your option will not be changed for any reason. So this is first come first serve basis. First நீங்க choose பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா first the subjectல நீங்க join பண்ணிடுவீங்க. எனக்கு இடம் கிடைக்கல அப்படினா நீங்க சொல்லாதீங்க, because நீங்க first 2-3 minutesல choose பண்ணீங்கன்னா it will be okay. Okay, this is the process. I will explain once again. Go to the college website, click the online NME selection for Passcode 2021 link. Your page will be like this. Give your register number, give your date of birth, give your WhatsApp mobile number, only 10 digits, and select any one of the course and then submit. That's all. Okay. After submission, registration successfully. Thank you. So your link will be open on, registration link will be open from 13 September 2021 at 10:30 AM. That is coming Monday morning 10:30 AM it will be open. Okay, because next 3 days will be holidays. So 13 September 2021 at 10:30 AM the link will be open in the college website. You can register through online. So any doubts, please type in the chat box if any doubts. So kindly remember that your register number, your date of birth and your registered WhatsApp number. That's all. Last date for registration from opening, it is open from Monday 13 September. From that date to nearly 4 or 5 days.
Is that that's all, sir?
That's all, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Dear students, it is very simple process. You can go to college website and click the NME selection link, and you can go and give the basic details and choose the course you require, right? So now itself it is open. You can complete the process. It will be open until Monday morning, coming Monday morning. So if the course is already full, you cannot enter. You have to choose another option. That's all, right? Thank you very much.
Monday morning itself it is open, sir. Still now it is closed. Monday morning.
Okay, now it is okay. It is closed. Monday morning it will open, right, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So you please think over the courses, and Monday you choose the course. Thank you very much. All the very best.